This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing where you had your iPod earbuds last. First, check immediate pockets and bags while holding the cord or case. Feeling for bump saves time. Once done, sit the iPod nearby and turn sound off so you won't be distracted. This helps you listen for subtle clues. Make sure to clear one small area fully before moving on. Start a 10-15 minute timer per zone to keep momentum and avoid random wandering. Now you leverage tools and systematic checks. Play a distinctive, repetitive tone from the iPod or a paired device at medium volume while you listen. This reveals muffled sounds through cushions or clothing. Once done, sweep every crevice with a bright flashlight, sliding cushions, and checking under furniture and car seats. Hands are better than eyes for hidden loops. If the earbuds are wireless, use Bluetooth signal strength or a device. Finish by checking final high-probability spots: laundry baskets, trash, coat pockets, and any bag compartments you skipped. Small items often hide in folds. If earbuds remain missing, unpair and check the iPod or phone's last connected device list to see where they were active last. Make sure to reset or replace earbuds batteries and try reconnecting. Sometimes they're powered but unresponsive. If all else fails, check building lost and found or mark them as lost in device services so someone can return them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.